Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert DeMoivre's theorem equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert DeMoivre's theorem equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then go to the equation drop down menu and go to more equation from office.com. Then find the DeMoivre's theorem equation. Here the DeMoivre's theorem, then we insert it. Now we can see we insert the equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.